Good morning, students. We will continue chapter probability. We have solved already. We have completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now today we'll see the question number 8. Already up to 7 we have done. Now question number 8 today we'll see. The question number 8, a die is thrown 300 times and the numbers shown on it are recorded. So the dice was thrown and it was recorded that so number of appearance. So total dice was thrown for 300 times. The dice was thrown for how many times? 300 times. So when in 49 times there is a possibility of getting 1. 51 times 2, then 52 times is of 3. Likewise it is given, so that number of time particular number occurs. So total number of to solve this question, first of all we should know total number of outcome. So total number of outcome will be 300 because 300 times it was thrown. Now question number 1 is that what is the probability of getting the 1? So how many times the 1 occurs? Just you can see here the 1 is for 49 times. So now how to write this? This is we can solve probability of getting 1 is equals to. So as we know that what is the formula? Formula of probability is probability of event. What is the formula of probability of event? It is the formula is number of number of number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Okay, so this is the formula. So what is the favorable outcome here? That is the we need the 1. So 1 how many times it will come is there in the table? It is written 49 times. So here we can write 49. Okay, so now next is that total number of outcome. So this total number is total number how many times we have tried? 300. This is your answer. Probability of getting 1 is your 49 by 300. Similarly question number 2 is that how many times you will get the 3. So probability of getting 3 is will equals to, so as you can see in the table, what is the for the 3 is a 52. So we can write 52 divided by 300. Okay, so now we can solve this. We can divide. So this will be 2 times 26, 2 times this will be 150, again by 2 times this will be 13, and this will be 75. So which is your 13 by 75? This is your answer, probability of getting 3. Next question number 3 of the same here, 5. So what is the probability of getting 5? So as you can see, the 5 is for how many times? 43. So what is the probability of getting 5 here? So probability of getting 5 will be here 43 by, this will be 43 by 300. So now next is your 5 and question number 4, 2 and 6. What is the probability of getting both the numbers 2 as well as 6? So for the 2 how many? 51. For the 6 59. So first of all we have to add for the 2 and for the 6. So what is the outcome for 2? 2 is your 51 and outcome of 6 is your 59. So altogether how much it is? 110. So our this is the 110 is a favorable condition. So probability of getting which is your 2 or 6. So this your answer will be 110 and divided by total is your 300. So this 0 will cancel. So your answer is 11 by 30. So this is the probability of getting 2 or 6. Fine. Now, next we can see the next question. Question number 9. A bag contains 10 red ball, 6 blue ball. What are the probability of randomly drawing a uh, red ball and blue from the bag? So now question number 9 will attempt here. Question number 9, how to do? So very simple. First of all, we should know we will write the total number of red ball is how much? This is the 10, and blue ball, which is your 6. Blue ball is 6. Okay, and the total number of ball total is how much? Means blue plus red, that will be 16. So that is the total number of balls. Now we have to get the probability. So first one, the question one, what is the probability of getting the red ball? So red is, so probability of getting the red. So how many red balls are there? Red ball is 6. So we can write here 6, and total just now we got total is how much? Total, sorry, red ball is how much? Red ball is 10. Okay, red ball is 10. So here we write the 10, and total is your 16. So you can solve, you can divide it. So we'll get 5 by 8. Similarly, the next question is to get the blue ball. So probability of getting the blue ball. So for the blue ball, so as you can see, how many blue ball? Total number of blue ball is 6. So 6 by 16. You can solve, you will get the 3 by 8. So these two are the answer of this question. Now, next we can see, next number 10. Number 10 is that a box contain 50 pens, out of which 7 are defective. In a box, there are total how many pens? 50 pens. 7 are defective. Means the useful pen, good pens are total how much? 50 minus 7, 43. 43 pens are not defective. Fine. One pen is drawn at random. Find the probability. Means one pen is taken out from that. So what is the probability of getting defective and non-defective? Fine. So very simple. So again we'll do the same method. So first of all we'll write the total number of pen. So total number of pen. Total pen is how much? It is your 50. In this defective pen, defective pen is your 7. So non-defective pen is how much? Non-defective is your 50 minus 7, which is your 43. Okay, now we'll solve the question. The first question they are asking defective pen, so we have to get the probability of defective pen. So defective pen, total defective pens is 7, and out of how much? 50. So 7 by 50. Second is that they are asking not defective. So not defective, so probability of not defective. So not defective pen how many? So this is your 43 by 50. This is your answer. Or you can do by one more method is there. This is your defective pens. So how many are not defective? Simply you can minus in 1. So you will get the same answer actually. 50 minus 7 by 50. So when you will solve, this is also 43 by 50. This is called the complement. So as either you can follow this method or this method is up to you. Okay. So this is the answer of defective and non-defective. Now we'll see the next question. Next question number 11. Number 11, as you can see, in a survey of 200 students, it was observed that 115 students like milk, while the rest dislike it. Out of these students, one is chosen at random. Find the probabilities that the chosen students likes and don't likes. So very simple. Doesn't likes and likes means total 200 students are there. Out of that 115 they are liking. So of course, sorry, 115 are liking. They likes the milk. So don't like means dislikes. So 200 minus 115, which is 185. So 85 will be disliking. So the same as we have done here, same way we can do this question also. So first of all, we'll write the total how many are like like is 115. Dislike the milk, dislikes how many? Total was 200 out of 115 likes, so dislikes will be there. So dislikes is how much? 85. So 85 who don't like the milk, and 115 who likes the milk. Now we have to solve. So now to solve the first question likes. So first question the like. So P like milk. Okay. So P like milk. How much? So P likes means how many are liking? 115. This is the favorable condition. Out of how much? 200. That's your answer. You can solve it also. You can divide. Then number two, P of dislike. So dislike how many? Dislikes are 85 out of 200. You can divide it. Yes, it will divide by 5. You will get the answer. Fine. Now we will see the next question. Very easy. Just to solve it, this will be 5. 5 to the 10. 5 3 is a 15. This is 40. It's 23 by 40. Okay. And the next this will be 17 and 40. Yeah. 17 by 40. This will be your answer. Now, next question number we'll see the next question number 12. The blood group of 50 students of a class are recorded as below. So the blood groups are given. There are different blood groups A, B, AB, and O. So 10 students who have the blood group of A, then 13 having B, 16 having AB, and 11 have the O. Now we have to find the probabilities of all these A and B, AB, and O. So it's a very easy. First of all, we have to know how what is the total number of students. So total students how many? 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus 11. So that will give you 50. So this is your 50. This is the total number of students. Fine. So we can write here total students how much? Total student is your 50. Okay. Now we can find the first question probability of blood group of A. So A is how much? In the table you can see there is written 10 A and 50. So you can divide, you will get the 1 by 5. Second question. Second question is that probability of B, the blood group of B. So total number of B having how many students? 30 students out of 50. This is your answer. Number 3, AB. So AB how many? 16 are there. So the probability, sorry, number 3 is AB or O. Question is that AB or O. AB and as well as O together. So AB and O means 16 plus 11, which is your 27. So you can do here A, B plus O. So which is your 16 plus 11, which is your 27. Now you can find the probability of AB or O. So how much it is? So very simple, just 27 divided by 50. 27 divided by 50. This is your answer of getting the A, B or O. Fine. Next question we have, which is the in your book is you can take that number 13. Number 13 is the question where a box contains 20 identical balls bearing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means a box is there. In a box there are how many balls are there? 20 balls. So there is written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These are the balls. Numbers are written on the ball and it is in the one of the box. Now we have to find the probability of the some of the conditions are given. So the very first question is that number 16, exactly how many balls are there where the 16 is written, the digit 16 is written marked. So total ball is, we have very simple, total ball we have 20 balls are there. So here is what is the outcome for 16. So there's only one chance, the digit 16 come through this from this out. If you take the ball from this box, how many balls where the 16 is written? Only one ball is there, where the 16 is written. So this outcome is 1. So probability of 16 will be 1 by 20. Nice. Next, next question number 2. 2 is that question number 2, 14 or 17. So we have to get the 14 or 17. So what is the outcome for 14 and 17? Outcome is 2. So now probability of 14 and 17, which is your 2 by total number of balls is 20. So you can divide this. This is your 1 by 10. Okay. Now number 3 is there. Number 3 is that they are asking in number 3 a prime number. Numbers are prime. So 1 to 20, how many prime numbers are there? 2 will come, 3 will come, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 90. These are the numbers which will come under this 1 to 20. So count it, how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the outcome? Outcome is your 8. Right. Now we will get the probability. So probability of the number of the prime number, probability of prime 8 by 20. 8 by 20 you can solve it, you will get the 2 by 5. Now next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is that an even number. They're asking for the even number. So 1 to 20, how many even numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. These are the even numbers. So what is the outcome? Outcome is your 10. Total is 10. 10 numbers are there between 1 to 20. Now we will get the probability. So probability of the even number, so which is your 10 by total is 20. So which is your 1 by 2. Now next question number 5. Number 5. Number 5 is that a number divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3. So we can write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. These are the numbers which is divisible by 3. So total how many outcome? Outcome is how much? How many outcomes are there? Outcome is 6. Total 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now probability of divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 outcome will be 6 by total is 20. 6 by 20. So now 6 by 20 you can divide. So you will get it, solve it. So 3 by 10. That's your answer. Next question number 6. Question number 6 is that multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 means that you can write the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, and 20. So total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So outcome is your 4. Now you have to find the probability. So probability of divisible by 5, which is your 4 by 20. So this is your 1 by 5. That's your answer. So according likewise we have done question number 13. Now number 14, last question of this exercise. Number 14. Number 14. If Ravi buys one ticket for a lottery and 5 lakh tickets have been sold, find the probability of Ravi winning the first prize. If Aftab buys 11 tickets of the same lottery, find the probability that Aftab win the first prize. Okay, so now we'll get the probability. So now first of all we get the we have to write the what is the total number. So total tickets was total ticket how many sold, which was 500. So it was total 5 lakhs. Total ticket was 5 lakhs. Okay, so that was the total. Now the first, what is the probability of Ravi? What is the probability of Ravi's winning? So Ravi, he bought the only one ticket. Ravi bought the only how much? Ravi wins the first prize. Sorry, the probability of the Ravi winning the first prize. First prize means that is the first should become the outcome number is 1. So that is the 1 by 5 lakhs. Okay. The next number 2, the probability of Aftab. Okay. And it's given that buys 11 ticket. Ravi buys the only Ravi winning the first prize, but he bought the one ticket. But if Aftab buys the 11 ticket, okay, so in that case, so we can write 11 by 5 lakhs. That's your answer. Okay, so please complete this exercise and revise well. We have finished the chapter probability. Okay, thank you so much.